Hello, my dear friend. This is Kollan Patro from Calcutta. Today, I will discuss about the most interesting and most important topics. One must have a good friend. Here, our mentor Vanita has posted one must have a good friend. But truly speaking, I have so many friends in my life. I was always surrounded by friends, lots of friends. Yes, of course, there are some colleagues. There are some colleagues who are treated me as an enemy of them. But as compared to my enemy, there are lots of friends, and I am really blessed by the God of friendship. Those who have no friend, they cannot even tasted what is the fun of friendship. Now coming to the point, I will say that a friendship is a very good quality, and it depends on your behavior, on your choice, on your mental capacity. If you are self-centric, your friendship will not grow, and you will be surprised to know that a good friend in life is a big asset sometimes. And I have so many big assets, such like of assets in my life, in my school life, in my college life, and in my service life. There are so many such good assets, and if I tell some story that how I got help from the friends in so critical position, but you have to choose the friends. You have to discriminate the bad friends. There are so many people will come for friendship, and you have to choose. And friendship, most important factor is that without discussion with the friends, our intellectual faculty, our analytical faculty, our analytical ability would not grow. Whenever any topics is come among the friends, there is a discussion, cross discussion among the friends, and the true points come out automatically after discussion. Just like MMDC, we are discussing a topics, and after so many speakers, their views, listening their views, we have a great extent of knowledge about that topics we gather. And so friendships not only give us pleasure, happiness, mental peace, but it also improves our intellectual and analytical faculty. That has to be point in mind. And though some people are saying that book is my friend, best friend, I do not disagree with that. Book is also a good friend, but nowadays the peoples are not much attached to his books, and the most important fact is that book is a book, but whenever we are interacting with friends, friend is another person, so it certainly improves our personality trait, and this is most important. And so if you go get a very good friend, or there are only one friend, one must have a good friend. But I have already told that I have so many friends. I was surrounded by friends from my childhood, and whatever I have got benefited, help from my relatives or from my parents, I am really confessing that I have got lot of benefits, lot of help, lot of uh, uh, inspiration from my friend circle actually. And most shocking fact is that sometimes I think that whatever I have got from my friend, I even did not possibly give them in return the same. So it is the virtue of God that I have got so many friends, and still I have so many friends. And my friend circle in this age is so that we are going to a picnic in a very good spot on 5th of January coming, and we are getting preparation for that. So all these things, all the enjoyment, uh, you will not get without any friend. And so friend is a very important factor of anyone's life. Those who have no friend, they will not imagine, they will not know what is the bonding of friendship and what is the enjoyment among the friendship. And most important fact is that whenever I come to among my friends, as much as I am joyful, but they are multiplied by 3 times, 4 times joyful getting me, and they confess that if you do not come, then we will not get so many enjoyment. And this type of certificate I have got from so many times from my friends. And so friendship is a very good bonding. And in my practical life there are so many, at least three times different friends. Very recently, no, I am telling a story and I will stop my speech after that. Before my when I was studying in college, I was a very volatile in nature, in mentally, in my college life, because I was eccentric and most volatile. I was not since I was born and brought up in the village, and I did not want to go again return back in the village. And my father, parents wanted to do the work of wanted me to do the work in the field, in the cultivation, etc. But I disagree, and after passing the graduation, my parents told me, and all other brothers, elder brothers, two elder brothers, they decided not to study in college anymore. I have to go in the field for cultivation. And there is a huge quarrel with my father and two elder brothers on that one day after passing the graduation. And I determined to not to stay at home. And after quarreling, on the next day, I leave my home without informing anyone, and from my village, and came to my college friend, to the house of my college friend, at least 180 kilometers away. And when I came to my college friend, he was naturally welcome me, and I am staying. I was staying with his home in his home, and after 1 or 2 days, 3 days, when I was not returning back to my home, he was suspicious, and he was to some extent thoughtful about why I am not returning, because there is a problem of that he has a very beautiful sister in his home, and she was then studying in class 12, and my friend we are just completed in graduation, and he is my friend, and he, after 4 to 5 days, he asked me why you are not returning back to your home. Then I told in details, I have quarreled with my father and my elder brothers. I will not return back. If I die outside in the road or anywhere, but still I will not go, because they will engage me in the field, and so I will better die. I will better give my life to the road or anywhere, because there is no I will not go to my relative's house also. And then I request him. He told me that I have a beautiful sister, you know. My mother and father, my parents are asking me, then what will you do? I told him that if you do not agree to let me in your house, stay in your house, I am staying in your house, then I am going, but I will not return back to my home. Then he was so anxious about me. Then what do you want? I then asked him, please give me some tuition and give me a small house, that a rented house, that I will stay here with you or near you, nearby you. And trust me, that was my beginning. And my friends' parents also consoled me so much that you return back to your home, your parents are wearing, etc. So much thing. But I was determined not to return back to my home. And at last my friend gave some tuition within few days, and he also arranged a small and rented room with common bathroom, etc. And that was starting. And I, after my that first student was four female student of class 9, 10, etc. And my luck was so favored that in the next year I have to make 3 batches, and 80% of were female student and their friends, all my previous students friends of. And in this way my tuition life was started, and I was in at the same time you was starting searching from jobs, and I think that in my present position I would not come to this position if on that day, on that few days, 5 to 6 days, my friend would not help me a lot, and I did not give him any. So this is the quality of friend. The most important, most shocking fact is that he have not got any job, but I have got a government job later on. After 3 to 4 years in tuition life, I have got a government job. But my friend, that friend who helped me a lot, and I stayed in their house for at least nearly 6 to 7 days. And after that, I in that area, my friend arranged me a rented house. I shifted on there, but for that 7 days, it was memorable to me that I would not come to this position if that my friend would not help me at that time, in that age. So what is the benefit of a friend? If I would not, a friend like that, I would not come to this position. I would be a farmer in the remote village. And so friendship is a very good quality, and a good friend is just like an asset, and we cannot return back. This is our shocking fact, and for the in lieu of my in return of my friends. And thank you so much, and thank you my friends for listening my video. Very good night to all of you. Thank you.